Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this back table. So come on with me, guys. So this video is a part of a collaboration called "'Tis the Season Mantel Open Collaboration. It's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, designed with Emma and Jean Home Decor and more. Alright, so as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. So since I don't have a mantle, we're going to be using this back table. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean this off, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. So you're going to see me moving stuff around because I always, if I don't like the arrangement, I'm just going to keep moving it around until I do. So that's what you see me doing here, guys. Now I do have that little tree off to the side there that's decorated for fall. I'm going to move that out of the way as soon as the video is done. And this little area right here is pretty much done, and we're going to be doing area by area until the house is ready for Christmas. So it looks like everything here is done. Let's head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.